Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to stop your PC or laptop waking from sleep automatically in Windows 10 or 11. We have a few different methods to try and hopefully at least one will help. Let's get into them. We'll start by using a command to see exactly what is causing your PC to wake itself. This may only work after it has happened, so it might be worth letting this occur first. Search for command prompt or CMD in the search bar. Then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Within the command prompt, type in the following: power cfg /last wake and press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will reveal the cause of the last wake, and we can use this to narrow down the possibilities. You'll most likely see one of two causes, either something related to devices, where it might say PCI Express, or timers, where it might say hard disk volume. If it mentions timers, you can skip ahead using the video chapters to the section where we'll cover how to disable wake timers. If the cause is a device, or if it said PCI Express, here's how to stop it from waking your PC. Before making any changes, it's worth noting what you adjust, just in case you need to revert it later. Search for Device Manager in the search bar and open it. This is where you can manage settings for devices like your keyboard, mouse or network adapter. Let's start with the mouse as an example. Expand the section called Mice and Other Pointing Devices, then double-click on your mouse. Head to the Power Management tab and uncheck the box that says Allow this device to wake the computer and click OK. Another common device that could cause this is your network adapter. To check it, expand the Network Adapters section, double-click on yours, it might say Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and go to the Power Management tab. Again, uncheck the box that allows it to wake your PC and click on OK. If the option is grayed out, you might need to check the top box first to unlock it. You can repeat this process for other devices if needed. I recommend trying this for one device at a time to pinpoint what's causing the issue, and only adjust settings for devices you recognize, such as your mouse, keyboard or other peripherals, and leave anything unfamiliar alone. If you want a device to wake your PC, for example when you press a button on the keyboard, make sure you don't change the setting for this device. This next section is for disabling wake timers, so if it mentioned timers in the command prompt, this method should fix it. Open the control panel first, search for it to find it, and then head to the section called System and Security, then choose Power Options. Find your current power plan on here, this will be the one with the box checked, and click on Change Plan Settings. Now select Change Advanced Power Settings, and a new window will open. Within it, find and expand the section called Sleep, and then expand the section called Wake Timers. Finally, set this to disable by clicking on the current option, which should be enable, and then choose disable from the list. Click on OK or apply, and close this box, and hopefully this will have fixed the issue. Whilst we're on the power options page, click on the option called Choose what the power buttons do. Then click on the blue text called Change Settings that are currently unavailable. And if you see the box called Fast Startup checked, try unchecking this and then click on Save Changes, as it is possible that this setting is causing the PC to wake. The next thing we can try is to check for and install any Windows updates, as it could be the update itself waking the PC. To do this, open the main Settings app and choose Windows Update from the menu on the left. Click on Check for Updates or install any that are pending until your PC is up to date. Next, we can check in the task scheduler, as there could be a task causing the PC to wake. Search for this in the search bar and open it. Have a look through here to see if any of the tasks and times match to the time your PC is waking. I wouldn't change too many settings in here, especially with unknown tasks. However, if you know that a certain task is causing your PC to wake, you can double click on it. Then go to the Conditions tab and try unchecking the box called Wake the computer to run this task in the Power section. Then click on OK, and this will help if this was the cause. The next method is to see if there's any maintenance that is waking the PC. Open the control panel again and click on System and Security, then Security and Maintenance, and then expand the Maintenance section. Next, click on the blue text called Change Maintenance Settings, and then you should see the scheduled maintenance time. And if you think this is waking your PC, you could ensure that the box below the time is not checked, then click on OK and confirm it. For the next method, it might be worth checking in the BIOS for any settings causing the PC to wake, if you feel comfortable enough to do this. As this can differ with manufacturers, you might want to look up the specific method for your PC and motherboard. A setting to look for might be called Wake on LAN, and you can try disabling this. Back within Windows, you can also try disabling the Wake on Magic Packet option, which is similar. This can be done by heading back to the Device Manager, then double-click on your network adapter, and then find the Wake on Magic Packet option in the Advanced tab, and set this to disabled, and click on OK. Next, you could double-check if any connected devices are causing your PC to wake unexpectedly. Try unplugging them one by one and see if a specific device, like your mouse detecting movement, or a keyboard key being stuck, is the cause. Even something like a controller or external hard drive might be sending signals that wake your PC. Unplug these devices and see if the issue stops. If it does, reconnect each device one at a time to find the cause. Finally, I'd recommend thinking back to when you first noticed the issue. There's a chance that a new piece of software you installed is causing it, so maybe try reverting any changes. On the subject of apps, check within each app's settings to see if there's anything that might cause the PC to wake, such as scheduled updates. This method will differ on each app, so it's difficult to recommend anything specific. However, you might notice something installing or an app loading after the PC wakes, and this might indicate that it's the culprit. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.